ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಅವರ ನೇರ ಶಿಷ್ಯರು ಹಾಗೂ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಿ ಎಸ್ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತರವರು ಭಿನ್ನಮತಗಳನ್ನು ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿ.
Good afternoon. It's indeed my proud privilege to deliver the citation of Professor K. Sadashiv Shetty, my teacher. Dr. K. Sadashiv Shetty, an orthodontist by profession, is an astute clinician, an excellent teacher, an eminent orthodontist, a reputed researcher, and an able administrator. Above all, he is a great human being. He is a workaholic with a pleasant disposition who is admired and adored by all his students, colleagues, and patients. Dr. Shetty, son of Sri Kandavara Sivarama Shetty and Ajay Ratnavati Shetty, was born on 9 July 1954 at the coastal town of Kundapura in renowned Kandavara family. He had his early education at Parkour and Coimbatore. He was a brilliant and diligent student. He obtained his undergraduate and postgraduate degrees from Government Medical College Madras, during which he was awarded gold medal in general anatomy from the prestigious Madras University. Soon after his post-graduation in 1980, he joined Bapuji Dental College, Damgere, and started his teaching career as a lecturer in orthodontics. Later, he was elevated to the post of principal, Bapuji Dental College and Hospital in 1992, at an young age of 38 years. The post which he holds even today. This being the 25th year of his stewardship at Bapuji Dental College and Hospital, he is the longest serving principal of any dental college in the country. Dr. Shetty, during his 36-long illustrious teaching career as undergraduate, postgraduate, and PhD teacher, has guided thousands of undergraduates and more than 175 postgraduates. In a rare feat, 36 of his postgraduate students have been awarded membership in orthodontics from Royal College of Surgeons, Edinburgh. Many of his students have obtained fellowship from Indian Board of Orthodontics and have been diplomats of national boards. It is worthwhile to mention that around 50 of his students have been principals of various dental colleges across this country. An enviable achievement for any teacher indeed. Dr. Shetty, a man with scientific temperament, has published many scientific articles in national and international peer-reviewed, high-impact factor journals. He has contributed many chapters for various textbooks and authored highly followed clinical manuals on newer advances in orthodontics. He is a pioneer in use of computers in dentistry and has developed numerous computer-assisted learning packages for the specialty of orthodontics. Dr. Shetty is a prolific speaker and sought-after resource personnel. He has delivered more than 100 lectures in India and abroad, and has conducted more than 40 CE programs in India, Indonesia, Dubai, Iran, and Kuwait. He was an invited speaker as the guest speaker at Surabaya University, Jakarta, Indonesia, New York University, USA, Colombo University, Sri Lanka, and the annual conference of Oman Dental Association, Moscow. Being a well-known academician, he has held various positions in different universities in the country. He was a syndicate member of our own Rajiv Gandhi University, Dean of Dental Faculty, Rajiv Gandhi University, Chairman Board of Studies, Colombo University, Chairman LSC, Rajiv Gandhi University, and has been an examiner and coordinator for Diplomat of National Board Exams and Indian Board of Orthodontics. He is a great organizer, a resourceful person. He has organized and conducted many national and international conferences, postgraduate conventions and workshops at Damgere. He is associated with many professional organizations and has held prestigious posts like President of Indian Association of Orthodontics, President Indian Dental Association Karnataka branch, Member American Association of Orthodontics, Member American Association of Functional Orthodontics, and Chairman of Indian Board of Orthodontics. Dr. Shetty is a disciplinarian and an effective administrator. Bapuji Dental College and Hospital, a premier dental institution of the country, is a living testimony of his administrative acumen. Under his leadership, Bapuji Dental College and Hospital has been ranked as the second best dental institution in the private sector in the country and has been accredited with a NAAC A grade. In recognition of his contribution towards dental education, Royal College of Surgeons, Edinburgh has conferred an honorary FDS RCS upon him in 2016. In appreciation and recognition of his exemplary services to the field of dental education, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Karnataka takes pride in honoring this eminent teacher on the occasion of Teachers' Day in 2017. Having known the teacher as a student since 1991, I would like to conclude this citation by quoting Henry Adams. A teacher affects eternity. He can never tell where his influence stops. Thank you.